Exercise 12.2 second one kind of cake requires 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat, and another kind of cake requires 100 gram of flour and 50 gram of fat. Find the maximum number of cakes which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat, assuming that there is no storage of the other ingredients used in making the cake. Here we are making two kinds of cake, first kind and second kind, and each cake contains flour and fat. What we have to maximize? We have to maximize the number of cakes. We do not know the number of each kind of cake. Let the number of cakes of first kind be x and second kind be y. Make the table. Cakes of kind first kind and second kind, flour and fat. We have to find the number of cakes. Therefore total requirement is maximum. We have 5 kg available and 1 kg available of fat, flour and fat. Here first kind of cake requires 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat, and second kind of cake requires 100 gram of flour and 50 gram of fat. 5 kg means it is 5000 gram and 1 kg means it is 1000 gram. Therefore the mathematical formulation is we have to maximize the number of cakes. Therefore z equals to number of cakes is x and y. Therefore total cake becomes x plus y, and subject to constant, flour constant is 200 x plus 100 y equals to 5000. Maximum means less than equals to 5000, and another constant is 25x plus 50y. Maximum means again less than equals to 1000. Here both are number of cakes. Number of cakes cannot be negative. Therefore x greater than or equals to 0, y greater than or equals to 0. Therefore their constants are 200x plus 100y less than or equals to 5000. If you change inequality by equality change, divide by 100, you will get 2x plus y equals to 50. And second one is 25x plus 50y equals to 1000. Divide by 25, x plus 2y equals to 40. Plot the graph by using the points. x0 means y50, y0 means x25. A point becomes 0, 50 and B point becomes 25, 0. Here x0 means y value becomes 20, y0 means x value becomes 40. C point is 0, 20, D point is 40, 0. This is the graph you will get. Because both are less than 0, you will get towards the origin. Shading will be towards the origin. This will be the feasible region. Therefore corner points are B, C and D. E value you have to find by solving the two lines. 2x plus y equals to 50 and x plus 2y equals to 40. Multiply equation 1 by 2. You will get 4x plus 2y equals to 100. Second equation as it is. Solving you will get x with 20 and y value 10. Therefore E point is 20, 10. Therefore corner points are C of 0, 20, B of 25, 0, E of 20, 10, and origin is 0, 0. Objective function values you will get 20, 25, 30 and 0. The maximum value is 30. Therefore z is maximum at 20, 10. Therefore we can make 30 cakes, out of which there will be 20 cakes of first kind and 10 cakes of second kind.